morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, I'm pretty sure you are interested in the different watch faces for the smartwatch. Okay, some of you here, I'm pretty sure that you check first the available watch faces for your wearable before you buy one. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, let's see the different watch faces for the smartwatch, the preloaded and the available downloadable watch faces for this device. Okay, again, it is using the Wear Fit Pro Support App. So before that, okay, let's check first the preloaded watch face for this wearable. So you have here a digital watch face. We have the analog. We also have another digital here with different data here. Analog again with a step counter and a date. We have somewhat like a Rolex. Okay, but to avoid any copyright issues, they changed the name here, but obviously it's trying to copy a popular watch. Okay, another analog. We have an animated, okay, space themed watch face. Another one, space themed watch face. Okay, the astronaut. We have the classic Mickey Mouse watch face, animated watch face here. Again, an animated analog watch face. Simple, clean, minimalist analog watch face. We have here, okay, themed or cartoon themed watch face, still digital. We have an analog watch face. Another one, window type analog watch face with all the data on the watch face here, such as heart rate, steps, the battery life, and the date. And that's it. Okay, so how many preloaded watch face do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, 16. At least 16 watch faces available, okay, or preloaded to your X22 Pro smartwatch. Okay, but aside from that, we also have here, okay, downloadable watch faces in the Wear Fit Pro Support App. Okay, so just go to your devices here on the bottom part, and we can see here the section for the watch faces. Okay, tap on the more. We have recommended watch faces here. Some are for sale, some are free. Okay, so recommended. We have the data here, simplicity. Okay, and this one is the, if I'm not mistaken, it's the contour watch face. Okay, so we have the animated here. So let's check, let's download, let's see. 304 KB download. So it is being pushed to our smartwatch. Let's see. Okay, so installing 7-8%, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so installation of the watch face is also similar to other smartwatches that uses the Wear Fit Pro Support App. Okay, so it's not only exclusive to the X22 Pro, as you can see here. Okay, this tutorial is not only for the X22 Pro smartwatch, but also for other smartwatches that uses the Wear Fit Pro Support App. Okay, seems like it's taking some time, but we are almost close. Okay, just wait. 84, 86, 87. Okay, so we have here the animated contour watch face. Okay, so what else do we have here? We also have cartoons. So, okay, so this one is for sale. It's not free. And on the bottom part, I think we have a custom watch face here. We are going to try it later on. Okay, leaderboard. Let's see what's the popular watch face here. Okay, so these are the popular watch faces, I think. What else? Well, let's try another one. Let's go to the most recommended here. Let's look for the free. I think it's on the bottom part. So we have at least 1, 2, 3 free watch faces. Okay, I think this is the only disappointing feature of the Verifit Pro. Most of the watch faces here are for sale and it's not free. Okay, so let's look for the other sections up to date. Okay, so it's not free, it's not free. Okay, so how about this one? Okay, yellow emoji, or this one. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, 196 KB. So there's a lot of users already installed this support app or this watch face. Let's tap on download. Okay, so installing. Again, installing watch face may take some time depending on the connectivity of your internet. Okay, so mine is it's a bit slow right now. Okay, so let's check. We are on a 40% here, 48, 50, 56, 57. Okay, let's see. We're getting closer. Okay, so we have here downloaded this the watch face, animated watch face. I think what's the title of this? Yellow emoji. Oh, yellow emoji. Okay, so that's it for the watch faces. Okay, available watch faces for your X22 Pro Smartwatch. Okay, so let's go to our custom watch face here on the bottom part. Okay, so you can change the style, the color, okay, the background. So let's check. Let's change the color here. So there's a lot of options. Okay, for the background, just tap on this one. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, check. Okay, apply, crop, and we have here the background. Okay, so let's tap on installation. Let's see if we can install the custom watch face. So installation 0%. So right now it's being pushed to our X22 Pro smartwatch. So let's see if we'll have a successful installation. 14%, 15. So let's see. Right now, while we are waiting, okay, check. Let's check again the design here. We have the color black, slim bezel, crown button here on the side. We have the pill shape button here. Okay, strap, flexible silicone strap, and 2.5D tempered glass on top of your IPS LCD screen display. Okay, so we're getting closer, 62%. Okay, I don't want to shorten the installation process here, the video. I want to show you the step-by-step process as much as possible on installation, so we can see whether we will have an issue with the watch face and other functions available for your X22 Pro smartwatch. So just wait. I think in just less than a minute we'll have the installation here. We'll see if we have a successful installation of the watch face. Okay. Okay, so that's it. We have a successful installation of the watch face for your X22 Pro. Okay, whether it's downloaded, okay, pre-made watch faces, or a custom watch face. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the X22 Pro and the installation of the watch faces for our smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and of course we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. Bye.